Further, Mahamati, let the bodhisattva mahasattvas be well acquainted with the three kinds of svabha, or self-nature. What are the three? They are 1. False discrimination, 2. Knowledge of relativity, and 3. Perfect knowledge. Now, Mahamati, false discrimination rises from form. How, Mahamati, does it arise from form? In the consideration of the relativity aspect of svabha, realities appear in various ways as having forms, signs, and shapes. When, Mahamati, these objects, forms, and signs are adhered to as real, this adherence takes place in two ways. The Tathagatas, Arhats, and fully enlightened ones thus declare false discrimination to consist in attachment to names and attachment to objects. By the attachment to objects is meant, Mahamati, to get attached to inner and external things as realities. By the attachment to names is meant to recognize in these inner and external things the characteristic marks of individuality and generality, and to regard them as definitely belonging to the objects. These two modes of attachment, Mahamati, constitute false discrimination. The knowledge of the relativity aspect rises from the separation of subject and object. Now, Mahamati, what is perfect knowledge? It is realized when one casts aside the discriminating notions of form, name, reality, and character. It is the inner realization by noble wisdom. This perfect knowledge, Mahamati, is the essence of the Tathagata Garbha. Then the Blessed One recited this verse. Form, name, and discrimination correspond to the two forms of svabha, and right knowledge and suchness correspond to the perfect knowledge aspect. This, Mahamati, is called the doctrine that examines into the nature of the five dharmas and the two svabhavas, or self-nature, and constitutes the state of self-realization attained by noble wisdom. And in this, you and other bodhisattvas are to discipline yourselves.